All right, so start is like very fragile for the market. It's a deep red start for the day, and our powerhouse setup is right. It's running here, and we are not in the position yet. Okay, it's too early in the morning to get into position. Right, it's 9:18 right now. It's going to be a fireworks day. I'm hoping a lot of fireworks, and look at the the panels. They are kind of really tossing around today, indicating that it's going to be a real entertainment. It's like going to be a show, right? So well, I do have orders here, and the positions on the right. Reason being, like, positions is something that is live, like what is going on, and what we are done with, right, with respect to the call and the put. We are going to analyze, right, based on performance, and what we did, how we did. I mean, we are going to analyze orders, like, based on, like, what price we got in, what price we got out, and everything, right? So uh, well, this is a real red, everything red, and volatility clusters, they are really popping out, out of the window, as if they really want to kind of break the market downwards. So we are going to wait and watch when we get the trade. It's going to be an automated kind of a session, really. This is the process part of the automation. This is complete automated, and my executions are automated as well. But we are definitely going to, like, kind of see, how we are doing and everything, right? So we are going to kind of watch the trades, and how they perform and everything, when we get entries, when we get exits. So essentially, what kind of strategy that we are going to do today is we are going to kind of bet on the fight, right, among the call and the put, and then we are going to see, which one wins, really. That is what we intend to do today. So that's a different form of strategy. It's an option buying a setup, really. Okay. Uh, because we have a varied strategies in option buying, right? So option buying is what I do solely. I'm not into option selling anymore. So option buying has a lot of advantages, and we will discuss about them more later. So that's about it, right? It's 9:20, so it's like first 5 minute like snapshot is done, and now we are just waiting for the order. So far we are not into the position. So once we get into position, we'll see. All right, so it's going to be a Sensex expiry today, right? So this is the Sensex kind of expiry. It's a Thursday, right? So yeah, and we are in a position right now, and we are going to kind of witness a lot of volatility today. It's too much of premium for expiry day, and we got a decent kind of four lots, I guess, right? 80 quantity, and we are already on the move. And this is the order screen, so it actually put a snapshot of this particular order that we kind of punched here. So well, it's going to be a fun day, really. When Sensex would really keep tossing around, we are going to kind of witness a lot of volatility and a lot of fun and entertainment. So let's see. So basically, right now it's not that we have got a put option here, but it's not that we are really bearish. But the thing is that we are going to allow some kind of resolution of this neutrality, right? So which side we resolve it is what matters, and how soon we resolve it is going to decide how much money we make out of it, right? So that's all about it, really. So we'll see. So far we are doing okay. We are kind of flattish here, and it could really give us a bump today, because premiums tend to slide down very fast on the expiry days. So let's see, how we do in this particular trade. So this is not a trade, really. It's like a kind of a resolution that we are doing on the put side right now. And let's see if we get a hit on this particular a win hit on this 75 200 put, or we will have to kind of swap it with the call option, uh, and bet on the bull side. So bull side, sounds like a little bit too much of an expectation, really, on such a kind of a slight day. This is the trend, right? It's like all negative, and now we are kind of more or less neutral gray right now. So we'll see how it goes. It's going to be a fun day. Volatility is high. It's on the high note so far, and it has been like this since morning. Okay, so we kind of sold it for a very tiny profit, like $100 profit, and then again we are on board, right? This 75 200 put. I'm expecting a lot of orders today being expiry. So as can be seen now, this makes it very clear, right? 240 bought, 244 sold. It's almost like where we bought it. So we kind of sold it, and then again we bought it at 260, which is even $20 higher on the premium, and we are presently doing still okay. So, well, it's going to be a phenomenally volatile day today, right? That is what I'm expecting. So let's see. So what I'm hoping is, like, it kind of gives us a push on the upwards, and increases our payoff. Like, as we can see right now, the payoff is almost like $2,000 here. So it should increase the payoff really. Look at this, right? It's 286, 288 and still running. 293, it's 300. Oh my God, this is all, look at this. This is hugely moving upwards, right? And we did not deter, we did not, get fearful about buying it at 260 also. So that is the beauty of this particular setup. The reason being that despite the premium was 20 points ahead, we still were very, very neutral, right, on this particular panel. So yeah, it's really paying off well. So let's see, how it performs, and when we are exiting it, or whether we end up losing this gain on the table, right, during the day. So this is very handy, right? I mean, it's kind of going to give us a clean snapshot of what is really happening. So 240 buy, 244 sell. We did not lose anything so far. And 260 buy, and so far it's at 290 right now. So yeah, it can slide down very quickly today being expiry. So we'll keep watching, how it performs and everything. Wow, look at this. Look at this, guys. This is huge gain, right? As far as it's almost 100 points, right? That we bought it at 260 right here, and it's 360 right now. It's 100 points. We have still not taken the profit because possibly now is the time to take the profits, but we'll just wait for a few seconds, and we are still kind of waiting for the right moment to kind of exit it. So we are still not booking the profit. It's huge amount of gains, right, for a trade, right? This is one trade really, and we don't mind kind of giving away, right, what we have. So right now, we should be kind of getting ready to exit it anytime. We'll see, if we really, really exit it or not. And once we do, then maybe we'll do some post-mortem on this particular trade. It's already exceeded 100 points, right, for us. And let's see if it kind of lets us exit it, because I'm not exiting it right now. I'm just going to wait for the exit trigger. And if that exit trigger happens, then, oh, look at this, right? We exited it, right? And it is giving us a snapshot here. So it's, well, just over 108 points. So let's quickly calculate this, right? This was a beautiful gain. We'll just simply calculate it, right? So let's pull a calculator. All right. So this is a beautiful trade that we got in. So 368.64. All right. Minus 260.65. That is 107.99. So we can basically safely take it as 108. So this divided by, this is going to be 108 points profit divided by 260 was the buy price. This is 41.4% gain, guys. This is 41.4%, right? Wow, as I said in the previous video, right, this is something which the option seller cannot match. It cannot match, right? But yes, of course, they do have their advantages, right, that we will talk about later. But anyway, we are not talking about buying versus selling here, right, in this video. It's a fun kind of a video, entertainment video. It is basically educational video. It's actually going to give you a glimpse of, how powerful the system is. We just gained 41% on the deployed capital, right? This is huge amount of gain, right? Now, this is a very beautiful setup. In fact, we actually kind of exit the day and chill in peace, right? And we will save on a lot of transaction cost, right, ahead, going forward in the day. But well, I am not planning to kind of give it up just as yet, so we are still going to give it some more time. But this is handsome gain, right, on this particular capital. The other way to look at the gains is this is the premium way, right? And the other way is 8930 is the profit. And what was the capital, guys? It was 260.55.65 into 80 quantity, right? That was it. So this is almost 21,000 bucks, right? That we actually deployed, and we made 8930 profit. 8930 divided by 21,000 was the capital. This is the money that we needed, right? And this is again same, right? It's almost 42%. So 42% profit, right? Booked profit, which is letting us go home now. I mean, shut down and go home. That is huge amount of gain. And that is the beauty of this kind of this setup, right? That the convexity based setup that I have now. And look at this, guys. This is a trend. Like, this all started with the bleeding kind of a market, followed by some kind of grays, right? Undecisive grays, and then it kind of resumed and launched for us on the put side. And look at what we kind of accumulated. We waited 30 minutes. We did not get more trades, and it's kind of decided to kind of leave with the red carpet here. And so far we don't have it. I could have given it a shy, for another turn of kind of trades, but that is where the discipline comes into picture and all, right? I don't mind kind of staying, but well, we can call it a day, right? I may kind of still take a trade or two later in the day, since today being expiry. But as far as the video is concerned, let's just call it an end, because this is not a profit and loss show, really, right? It is more of a display of this research, right, based convexity system, right? That is on display here. It's basically a research on the quant research kind of thing that I'm into, right? And all these things, right, they are developed by myself, engineered by myself, crafted by myself, tuned by myself. Now when I say tuned, that is the keyword, right? So you can end up building a lot of these things, right? But as far as tuning is concerned, it will take years of effort to tune it to perfection. That is exactly what is the the showstopper, right, in building these things. All right. So really, the raw development is nothing, in comparison to how much effort you take in tuning a system, because untuned system, no matter how perfectly you developed it, is going to still lead to losses. And that is what happens, right, in automated systems. So this is a beautiful kind of a setup right now, and I think we can call it a day. So we will not be talking about lakhs, crores, and all that, millions and billions, right? We will be talking the next door guy kind of profits. We are going to be talking about next door guy like gains, the losses. Yeah, I'm going to show you losses as well, right? I mean, whatever is the output during the session, when I decide to record it, I am going to show that output as is, right? There is absolutely no polishing being done in these sessions, right? So this is all kind of a raw thing that we are displaying. So when we take the losses, we will show the losses, and we will compute, how much is the gain or how much is the loss percentage as well, just like we did compute the gains. All right. So on this note, like, we'll call it a day. All right. Until next time. Bye bye.